Isa sa mga tampok sa pagbisita ng Pangulo ang kanyang talumpati sa National Diet ng Japan o ang kongreso nito. Ibinahagi ni House Committee Chairperson on Interparliamentary Relations and Diplomacy, Representative Gina De Venecia, ang kahalagahan nito.
Napakahalaga because speaking before the National Diet of Japan is a very high diplomatic honor. Hindi ito basta seremonya lamang, it reflects the deep trust and respect that Japan has for the Philippines and for the leadership of our beloved President PBBM. And Japan is our closest and most reliable partner for many decades. So when the Japanese parliament invites our president to address their lawmakers directly, it sends a very strong message that the Philippines is viewed as a serious, stable, and important partner in the region. Napaka-importante po nitong state visit na ito because this will directly benefit lahat po tayong mga Pilipino. Kapag lumakas ang ating relasyon sa Japan, mas lumalawak din ang opportunities for our people. For us in Congress, this state visit is significant because it strengthens parliamentary ties, stronger cooperation between legislatures, help ensure continuity in policies, exchanges, and long-term cooperation beyond administrations. As we commemorate the 70th anniversary of diplomatic relations between Philippines and Japan this July 2026, this visit reminds us that our partnership is not only long-standing but also future-oriented and increasingly strategic for both nations.